everyone. Welcome to the next episode of KMV podcast. In the previous podcast, we talked about the advantages of autonomy, and we had a wonderful talk with the eminent principal of Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Professor Dr. Atimai Sharma Dwivedi. She told us about the benefits of autonomy, how it is progressive, and how it sets KMV apart. It puts it in the top-notch colleges. Colleges are in a much higher league than the ordinary affiliated institutions. Ma'am mentioned about how progressive the system is, how the syllabus gets upgraded, how the students get academic freedom. So I would like to know from you, please put some more light on how the syllabus gets continually upgraded and how the students get an academic freedom.
So Agrima, I would like to talk about this because the students, they must be well aware. They must know everything when it comes to getting their higher education and they're making their choices.
Yes.
So first of all, you asked me about let's only talk about how the syllabus is upgraded, what it means and how it benefits the students.
Right.
The times today are changing at a very fast speed, much higher speed than it ever happened before. It may be the industries, it may be job markets, it may be technology, it may be the sciences, it may be any other area. The world is changing very fast.
Yeah.
And so the education has to change accordingly. So the syllabus upgradation means that syllabus has to be designed as per the requirements of the present socio-economic requirements of job markets.
True.
So when the syllabus is upgraded by an autonomous college, it caters to the requirements of the new world. That's what it means. So normally what happens is that some syllabus is made in 1950, 1960 and the affiliated institutions have to continue with that.
Yeah, that's not even relevant.
They
now.
cannot, they don't have the academic freedom.
Yeah.
But in autonomous colleges, you have that academic freedom. You have your own board of study of every department in which scholars and representatives of UGC, various professors, even the industry experts, they sit and they formulate a syllabus which is of international global standards.
Right.
In our college, we have 140 outside experts for different departments who help us design the syllabi.
That's outstanding.
Yes. Yeah. So that is what it means. And also along with that, we lay a lot of focus on skill and professional development of the students. It's just not theory. Reading something in the books or whatever other material that you have doesn't help you to get the best of placements in the markets or develop a very confident personality. So we have upgraded the syllabi with skill components and professional knowledge up to 70%. And even the examination is taken on the basis of skill efficiency of the students. Whatever their discipline, so their professional development is seen कि job markets के अंदर उनकी relevance होनी चाहिए. It includes not only the components of the the required job markets, but also communication skills, confidence building, attitude, and also when the skill is concerned, we have embedded internships for every program. So we have introduced internships in the industry, related industry of every subject. So बच्चा जब industry के अंदर अपनी related subject की industry के अंदर exposure के लिए जाता है तो उसको ना सिर्फ उसका एक training मिलती है लेकिन job placements के लिए उसको prefer किया जाता है. और generally क्या होता है क्योंकि हमारी 56 industries के साथ partnership है and we have partnerships with international industries also. So when the students go for internships, they automatically get placed sometimes even in the same companies. So professional skill is a very large component of our syllabi. You were asking about what syllabi upgradation means.
Yes. So that's practical knowledge they are getting.
Absolutely. And also as I said, their examination is held out of that kind of component practicals की base पे ज़्यादा examination होता है instead of just the theory
part.
And then we also have internal assessment.
Okay.
So internal assessment means how the students is responding in the class, how they are making their research projects. So this is another, so in a very big thing that a student gets up to 30% internal assessment. And then also the internships that are given, that is a big the credit for that. So credit system is given in our system. Then as I said, professional training is there, and then also because the syllabus is such, so the pedagogies जो पढ़ाने की टेक्निक्स हैं वो भी उसके साथ एक बहुत हाई लेवल की तभी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन मिल पाती है because the teachers are first of all very trained, permanent faculty and also very stable faculty, and also the training that is given to the students in the classrooms is very technically of a high level, and also research projects which are financially supported by the college.
Okay.
Seed money is given. Apart from the research projects, we also have entrepreneurial training. अगर किसी ने अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना है या सो उसकी भी ट्रेनिंग मिलती है कि किस तरह से अपना फाइनल ईयर में हमारे पास जो वैल्यू एडेड प्रोग्राम है वो सिर्फ ये है कि ट्रेनिंग फॉर देयर फ्यूचर जॉब मार्केट्स. सो जिसको हम कहते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरियल एंड जॉब रेडीनेस प्रोग्राम. सो उसके अंदर इंटरव्यूज़, उसके अंदर किस तरह से जॉब्स में जाने के लिए हमें क्या एक्सपोजर चाहिए, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, वो कॉलेज में आके बच्चों को ट्रेन करते हैं बड़ी बड़ी MNCs. सो ऑल दिस इज़ देयर इन द सिलेबस.
That is very great.
Absolutely. And also, Agrima, another thing that is in the, with the academic freedom, what we have done is that every semester has a value added program.
Okay.
It is there in the new education policy also. So this is the reason why KMV has been able to implement the new education policy completely at a very, early stage. Before this year also, 2-3 years back. In fact, even before the new education policy, all these reforms were introduced in the institution. But now they are more validated. We are giving credits for every activity for value-added programs. So अगर बाकी की normal institution में student जितने credit लेता है वहाँ तो percentage से काम चल रहा है अभी तक, लेकिन हम तो international level के credits देते हैं. सो उसको वैल्यू एडेड प्रोग्राम के साथ जिसमें हमारा एक फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम होता है, एक जेंडर सेंसिटाइजेशन है, देन देयर इज मॉरल एजुकेशन इन द सेंस दैट इन विच वी गिव अवेयरनेस फॉर ड्रग अब्यूज and all other social issues, and then we also have entrepreneurial and job readiness programs, and then also we have inner peace and happiness programs. So there are a plethora of programs that the students can opt for.
This is actually the need of the hour.
This is the need of the hour. And also communication skills, we have foreign languages. So academic freedom ने हमें एक open field दिया है जिसमें हम student की एक full growth के लिए उनको एक लैंडस्केप देते हैं जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स उसको चूज़ करके उनके इंटरेस्ट की क्या चीज़ है वो उनको ट्रेनिंग मिलती है. उसके अलावा जो इनोवेशन और न्यू आइडियाज़ उसको एक इम्प्लीमेंट किया जाता है सिलेबस के अंदर. हमारे पास इस वक्त स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ही 54 intellectual property rights हैं.
Wow, that is great.
Yes, of course. So the innovation hub of the institution is of a very high starring by the government. So highest actually starring. So innovation and research, it is a part of the undergrad programs as well.
Okay.
So these are some of the very, very unique initiatives taken by us at Kanya Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar, all because of the the higher status of autonomy. और जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि डिग्रीज तो यहाँ भी वो इस गुरु नानक देव यूनिवर्सिटी की मिलती हैं. It's a state university, it's a government university, so it's a win-win situation. It's not a private degree, but the system of education is of a very international level, and that is why our students are thriving. That is why they are getting directly from हमारे जैसे कोई एयरपोर्ट मैनेजमेंट के BBA के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और साथ में होटल मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको कमाल है कि BSc के बाद ही उनको डायरेक्टली US के अंदर बहुत हाई पे पैकेजेस पे जॉब्स मिल रही हैं. 9 students have already got placed in the US. More in the Europe and of course India में तो कोई नंबर का हिसाब ही नहीं है कितनी प्लेसमेंट्स हो रही हैं. बिकॉज जो आप पढ़ते हो, जब आप उसका ट्रांसक्रिप्ट लेकर जाते हो और जो ट्रेनिंग के साथ आप जाते हो, देयर इज नो रीजन व्हाई द स्टूडेंट वोंट गेट द बेस्ट प्लेसमेंट्स.
Also including research at undergraduate is a very progressive thing.
Absolutely.
Because बच्चों को पता ही नहीं होता undergraduate में कि research क्या होती है.
रिसर्च भी क्या होती है, प्लस जॉब मार्केट्स कैसी हैं, उस सब का एक्सपोजर मिलता है उनको जब हम अपने एनहांस सिलेबस और प्रोग्राम्स के साथ हम उनको अवेयर करवाते हैं. So I think these are some of the amazing, success paths.
Definitely.
And also, Agrima, you asked about academic freedom. हमारे पास जो एक्चुअल एक और हाथ में बहुत गवर्नमेंट हमें देती है कि हम अपने प्रोग्राम्स को खुद डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं. जैसे हमने 4 years ऑनर्स प्रोग्राम्स जो इंटरनेशनली एक्सेप्टेड हैं. देखो, जब बच्चा 3 साल की डिग्री करके जाता है तो उसको कहीं भी उसको जाए, वो जब अब्रॉड भी जाता है तो उसको दोबारा से वो रिपीट करनी पड़ती है. बट वी हैव 4 year ऑनर्स प्रोग्राम्स विच इज़ accepted by all the countries. And then also we have 5 year integrated programs. We have interdisciplinary programs, and also apart from that we have multidiscipline programs that we have designed for the students. Like for example, a fine arts student is also learning digital skills.
Wow.
And whereas a journalism student is also learning foreign languages and communication skills, and similarly an animation student or an artificial intelligence student is also learning like fine arts, or which is used in the industry for aesthetics and other developmental issues when it comes to professional knowledge and success. So this is like an amazing thing, and the government of course supports it, and they are telling the government policy and the new education policy says कि अगर अच्छी education, high quality education है तो वो autonomous colleges में ही हो सकती है, क्योंकि हमारे पास ज़माने के साथ और ज़माने से आगे बढ़कर चलने के लिए हमें गवर्नमेंट ने साधन दिया है. And we are making at KMV best use of that.
You're actually developing the overall personality of the students.
Overall personality, global citizens, and of course very we are a women college, so empowered women को एक अपने देश के लिए create करना, ये तो एक हमारे लिए भी बहुत एक passion की बात है, pride की बात है, and we are very happy with the high trajectory of the institution, how it is taking shape. And in the very near future we are also introducing new programs like MBA and MCA. AICTE has already given us the permission for that. They have given us the approval for that, because हमारे पास 11-12 states, India की states से students पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं. So for women empowerment, such programs are very necessary, which will empower them and make them the future leaders. So it has been very nice talking about this. I feel very satisfied when I inform the students as to what they should look for when they come to higher education. So KMV is an institution which is an iconic seat, a celebrated institution. I hope all the students out there of all the states will make use of this excellent opportunity and a very high quality education that is creating leaders of the future world.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an informative and enriching session. See you again on the next podcast. Thank you.
Thank you very much.